Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a smooth and cool car shockwave effect easy in After Effects. Let's begin. To make that effect, I will use a free shockwave footage. Check this video's description. I will leave a download link there. Let's drag and drop it into AE timeline, and now I will move it above my second clip like that, and let's check it what it looks like. In my case it's too fast, so I will slow down that footage. Right click on shockwave, go to time and select time stretch. I will set stretch factor to 200 and hit OK. Let's check it one more time. That's better, but now it's something like jittery or laggy, but no worries, we can fix it by enabling frame blending from here. Click here twice until you see an arrow, and now let's check it one more time. That's so smooth now. Now we can begin applying some effects. The first one will be a free plugin, VC Color Vibrance. In case you don't have it, check this video's description. I will leave a download link there. Also, by any reason if you don't want to install that plugin, you can use a tint effect. It will work fine as well. Just make sure to change map white to any color you wish. The tint is very simple, it won't need any retouch, but under a VC Color Vibrance we can make our shockwave footage look a bit more better. First I will slightly bump up gamma, then decrease the brightness. Let's decrease preserve luminance as well. That looks fine to me. And now let's apply the main effect, turbulent displace. I will bump up amount to around 140. Then let's decrease the size to around 40. And finally I will slightly bump up complexity. I think 2.1 looks good. Let's quickly check what it looks like. That looks cool to me. Once you are happy with yours as well, we will need to isolate the car from a background. But first let's select the shockwave layer and press S on keyboard. Now scale it until it covers whole car like that. Now select second clip and duplicate it and rename duplicated one to car only. Now grab a roto brush tool and then make sure you are at the beginning of a car only layer and then double click on it. Let's rotoscope the car as smooth as possible. Once you are done, click on freeze button. As the freezing is done, close rotoscoping window and then click on toggle switches / modes and change shockwave layers matte to a car only layer. Let's quickly check it. And that's it, we are done. The only thing I would add is a shake effect. I will skip shakes part because I have made too much shake tutorials. Also I have made 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake presets. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and like the video please.